ಏನ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್?
Value is only of 1,500 my lords for 3 live or
1500 ಮೂರು
ಮೂರು
ಸೇರಿ.
ಸೇರಿ 1,500.
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
ಮೂರೇ my lords.
ಕೋಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹುಂಜ.
ಮೂರೇ
ಆ?
ಮೂರೇ ಇರೋದು.
ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
The value is only
ನೀವೇನ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್?
value is only of 1,500 my lords for 3 live or
1500
ಮೂರು ಸೇರಿ 1,500.
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅದೇನೋ ಗೋವಾ ಏನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್
32 and 34 ಮೇಲೆ 32, 34
ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ? ಅದೇ ಮದ್ಯಪಾನನೇ ಏನು ಅಂತ
ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ನಾನು ಇಂಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17 ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆಟೋ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಆಟೋ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು.
ಯಾರ್ದು?
ಅದು ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಆಟೋನ
ಅವರೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಆಟೋಲ್ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವೀಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವೀಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ. 2 ವೀಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಗಾಡಿಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮೂವಿ ಸೀನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಂಗ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೂವಿ ಸೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಈ ರೂಮ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ರೂಮ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಬೇರೆ ಮನೆ
ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ?
ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೂ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತೆಗ್ದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ವಿಡಿಯೋ? ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನಲಿ
ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 54
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮನೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಅದು ಇದು. ಅದೇನ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅದೇನೋ ಗೋವಾ ಏನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
73.
My lords, the allegation in the PCR and the FIR do not constitute any offence.
Oh, seriously, why?
Abatement of suicide,
So what?
my lords.
So what?
There is
Matter is still at the stage of investigation. You are the wife and second petitioner is the brother. Yes.
not brother, he is a friend of the.
Oh, anyway,
petition.
friend. That we may stay. That's a different thing, but not the wife at all.
No allegations whatsoever,
No,
my lords.
nothing. Matter is still at the stage of investigation.
But no.
Matter of abatement to suicide. Husband has committed suicide.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. Anything else?
But wife was not staying. She was in
No,
Delhi.
no,
my lords.
don't tell me all this, madam. Yes.
No coercive action should be taken against.
Why? Dismiss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Coercive action is ಬಂತು. You have not taken bail?
No, my lords.
Why?
Because there is no allegations at all.
Why
Prima
allegations?
facie there is no
Why prima facie
offense
no
at all,
allegation? Why did the
my lords.
husband die?
He no, he has told that there is he is not nobody is responsible. He's taking his
That
life on his own volition.
anybody will say that, no problem.
Maybe he was stressed from his job with respect to some work stress, my lords.
Get the papers of investigation. Pudi. See, so much of material is there.
No,
So much of material is there. Just wait. Yes, pudi.
Nobody is responsible. Death note.
Please, day after tomorrow, such matters. I'll file haki. Next.
My lords, no coercive action.
Day after tomorrow, madam. Yes. Next.
Obliged.
Initiation of parallel proceedings, my lords. Loan which has been taken, check bouncing cases filed. In the 2 check bouncing cases, 1 acquittal, my lords, in 1 conviction. Parallelly, 420 is what is there in the charge sheet, my lords. Ved Singh, which is now even pending before the Supreme Court, my lords. Parallel
What's
proceedings.
pending?
Ved Singh, my lords, where you can have parallel proceedings under 138 and 420. That, my lords, is referred to the larger bench. Here, my lords, they filed the case under 138 acquittal on the ground that they have not been able to prove existing debt.
Day after tomorrow, fresh matters.
Please.
Yes. Next. Heard the learned senior counsel. Yes, IO, next, yes.
Some order is there saying that they're not supposed to give, they're supposed to give the investigation papers and also not file the final report. They filed B report, my lord.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಅಡ್ಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. You ಚಾಲ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
They're not supposed to, my lord's order is there. This involved, my lord, where circulation of a young woman's photograph.
Oh,
Lords
that
had passed a
matter.
very detailed order on
Instagram.
that. Instagram though. In this, my lord, the
Family.
investigation papers had to be filed before this honorable court.
All right, 72 ಮಾತ್ರ, list it on Friday.
Please.
73, it's informed.
Entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ?
PS has been rejected.
14th, yes, next.
PS has been rejected, my lord.
74.
Next. 74 IO ಇದೆಯಾ?
Allala, 490 type matter has been compromised. Lord, victim has not withdrawn the complaint. Not there is a lot the, he is a lot the.
You are for the victim?
Yes, my lord.
Why you are not withdrawing?
My lords, there was a compromise on that condition that they live together.
Oh, they're not living together.
But in fact, not later on,
And-
kindly appreciate, later on, she files a not divorce petition that has been now allowed and divorce has been granted. I have been directed.
Ex parte.
Ex parte alla. No consider order. And thereafter, I have been directed to pay 10 lakhs rupees. I have already paid the 10 lakhs.
On the ground of cruelty, my lords.
Lord, therefore, my lord, now there is a decree of divorce, my lord. And my lord, there was earlier.
You are the husband, ah?
I am the husband, my lord.
Only. Husband only ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ.
Husband only.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತಗೊಳ್ಳು ಒಂದು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ.
Allala, because reason that my lord his promotion is due, my lord, that he's been shortlisted.
Government
for-
servant,
Allala, government servant, my lord, he works in my lord the police department as superintendent.
Oh.
Lord, that's a difficulty, my lord. He has been shortlisted for promotion. Because of this, my lord, the case is pending, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Alla, before that only. Alla,
Promotion ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
compromise was taken place 2023.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Kindly,
We'll hear it, sir. List the matter on 19 August.
ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಏನ್
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ promotion ಏ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ರೆಟ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ. Otherwise, my lord, problem. This month, any day, my lord.
ದಿಸ್ ಮಂತ್ ನೋ ಡೇ ಸರ್, ಇರೋದೇ 3 ದಿನ, ದಿಸ್ ಮಂತ್ ಎನಿ ಡೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, next week alone date.
ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
Next week, my lord, my lord, any.
ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
My lord, 19th, my lord, ಬೇಡ. But 20th, my lord, should be having.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ, 20th.
Petition number 75.
ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
The day that suits my lord's convenience.
ಗುರುವಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ?
Next Thursday, man.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕದು?
Next Thursday.
1:30? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಇದು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ.
Otherly expeditious.
ಅದೇ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ Thursday ಸರ್.
Next Thursday.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇನೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಬೇಡವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತು.
My lord, if it is a case.
My lords, I have instructed, I got the NOC in this matter for respondent number 2, my lords. Will be taken up next week, my lords. Received a
ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ.
Please, please. my lords.
If it
Next
is a case
Thursday.
of a grant of a smaller relief, I am very, very
Correct.
optimistic that in one split second.
No, is it not covered by what I have written?
No, your lordship would certainly grant me in one split second and order the remitter of the matter to the trial court for consideration afresh. Because in one sentence order is cognizance, Peru's cognizance taken issue summons. That is certainly in check. But that is a smaller relief. I am
larger
aiming at a
relief
bigger
is-
relief. Aiming at a bigger relief. That is, well, it is a question of a serious question of law which I have raised. What is the authority or jurisdiction of CWC? Well, CWC is constituted under the provisions of the Juvenile Justice Act. Well, whether they can record the statements of witnesses, they can prepare a report, give it to the IO even before the registration of the crime, whether the IO could make that report and the statements as part of the final report under 173(2). Is a.
Thursday will take finally.
Please, my
Would
lords.
the lordship fix up some time or?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ at 3:30.
Please.
Yes.
This is
3:30.
the question of law which I have raised.
No, we'll finish it on that day.
Please.
3:30ಗೆ just remind Swami.
Yes, please.
3:30ಗೆ remind ಮಾಡಿ, we'll take it.
Please, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Please do moderate.